Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's solve the 14th top coding interview question from 48 top coding interview questions curated by lead code. We'll solve this problem using Python. So this problem is, we just have to find out the first unique characters in a string. There are, a string will have obviously the multiple characters. So we have to find the first unique characters which is not repeated. The first character which is not repeated, in the entire string. But there can be many more characters which are not repeated, but the first character, that is the output they are expecting us. Example, if you see the string output, at the end they are asking us to return the index of the that string, not the index of that character, not the character itself. If you don't find, they return -1. So let's go by example. Here, if you see, the L starts with L. L is not repeated. This is the first output that says in the index is 0. So in this case, if you see L, there are two L, so it is not the first unique character. O, yeah, O, there are two O's. It's not the first character. V, yes, V. There is no V here. It's the basically the first character. The index is it starts with 0, 0, 1, 2. V is at 0. So that's the reason it is index 2. So here both are repeated. So there is no unique here. So both are repeated. A is also repeated twice. B is also repeated. So its output is -1. So this is one of the easiest problems. So what we can do is we can simply create a dictionary, something like a dictionary. So or you can say hash map, something like that. So we can simply put the count how many times each character has occurred, key as a character, and the value for the dictionary as the count itself. So in this case, L will be 1, E will be 2, uh, T will be 1, C will be 1, O will be 1, D will be 1, E will be, sorry, 3, E will be, there are 3 E's. So basically we just have to, for each character, L how many times it is repeated, E how many times it has repeated. So we create a dictionary and then we simply return the first character which has a value as 1. So that's what we will do. So I already have a code written here. So I'll just debug and then show. So this is the code. This is a simple code. So this is like a library in Python, so which creates a dictionary for me. So counts along with the count itself. So a count of each character. I'll show you how it looks like. So for example, let's say this is the example we have. So what our first step is to count how many characters has occurred, right? L, how many times L have occurred? L has occurred twice. O has occurred twice. V has occurred only one time. E has occurred thrice. So L is already counted. T is occurred, and so on and so forth. So this is what that code does. Let's see. Let's go step by step. I put the debugger already, the debugger point, and I'll directly go here. The code is not called. It will not go inside, and from here it is starting. So if you don't know this, what we are doing is simply debugging the code. Then I have explained all of these in my previous videos. So the program starts from here, and then it comes here. S is a string, which is this lovely code. And if you say this value is very simple. This is the counter with all the unique characters, and all the unique characters are the keys, and their corresponding count are the values. L has repeated twice, O has repeated twice, V has repeated 1, so and E has repeated 4 times, and so on and so forth. Basically, it's like a dictionary. This is one way of doing. You can also have a dictionary, by the way. So you can also have a dictionary with key as same as this. You can iterate through the dictionary, and if the elements in the dictionary is already there, so you just increase that count. If not, you add with 1. That is also can be done. That is one more approach. But this is I am directly using the library which is there, the function which is there. So you can also implement your own like that. So the next time is I'll iterate through the entire string, and then I'll simply, for each of these index, this will give the index. I'll go here, and then wherever the counter for that value, right, for that value, so index of that value, the counter is 1, and then I basically uh, so this is not the first L will come here. L's count is the value of L is 1, so it is not 1, so it will go next, and the 0 is done. Now 1. So it's basically whatever I get at 1, so it's basically also going to string, and then and so on so forth corresponding. So the next third is v1, so it will return count is 1, so that will return I, we have to return the index, which is 2. So that's all, the output is 2. So it's a simple problem. It's not a very complex problem. Same problem, the same thing is there, except the debugger and the function names are different. So I'll just show you what is the output. Run it and show you. Yeah, this is same. L is at index 0, so that is what it is returned. So here the important point is that you can also, so basically the important point is to count how many times it has character. The ways are, you can use a pre-built library, or you can implement your own dictionary. Please implement your own dictionary, and then let me know in the comment section how you get the output. All right, that's all guys for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.